Hi guys, Fisaro here, back with another video. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own leprechaun trap from things around your house. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, the materials you'll need to make this are some green paper, some yellow paper, some light green paper, some rocks, and some fake mouse, and a tissue box, floss, and a little cauldron. Tape and scissors too. First, you get your shoebox, and you want to put the dark green paper and cover up the shoebox with it. You don't have to do the back, only the sides, around on the outside, the sides, and not the bottom either. Now that you've covered the sides of your box with dark green paper, it's time to do the bottom with the light green paper. Okay, now that you've covered the bottom, it's time to move on to the next step. My sister drew this nice rainbow picture, so I put it in the background. The next part, you take your scissors and poke a hole in the side of the box, like right here. Another hole in the top, about right here. Now that you've done that, it's time to decorate your tissue paper box. Now that you've covered up every side of your box, you can take green crayon and draw little Sherlocks all over it. Now that you're done with that, you take your floss and you want to make it pretty long, and you poke a hole in the top of your box with your scissors, and you string the floss through the box and those two holes that we made earlier, and then I'll tell you what to do next. Now that you've done that, you want to take it and get your string and push it through. As you can see, I strung it through the top and the sides, so now when you take your leprechaun trap and pull it this side, it works like this. When you pull this side, it goes up, and you put the string down here in the bottom of your pot of gold, and whenever you let go of the string, the trap falls down. After that, you want to get your cauldron and fill it up with some of the rocks from earlier, and it will hold down the strings, so then when the leprechaun takes it, the trap falls down. Thank you guys for watching, and this is the finished leprechaun trap. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.